Hey everybody, Jabbar Prince. Today we're going to be reacting to clean Nintendo memes. Now, here's the thing. I don't like to react to like the non-clean Nintendo memes for a specific reason. I'm trying to keep this to a family-friendly channel, alright? Like I don't like to like throw the N-word or like the F-bomb. I don't like to do it. That's why I say frick or friggin'. Okay, so we're gonna be reacting to clean Nintendo memes. Hope you all enjoy it. Yes, I'm wearing a choker. This is a key. Let's begin.
Time is an action adventure game featuring all of your favorite Mario characters.
Oh my god, James Charles. Whoa. Oh.
Ganon was coming after him. Oh, come on. My favorite song.
The last thing you'd want in your
Burger King burger.
is
Someone's foot fungus. Oh,
Now
come on,
we can
Akira,
all go
really?
back to eating our fast food in peace.
You are going to lose subscriber.
Nice. Oh no, I've seen this meme so many times before. Oh, it gets base boosted every single time they get hit. Oh no. Sorry everyone who's... I'm so sorry everyone who's using headphones.
Art, I don't want to alarm you, but
I love these memes. Oh, you cheaters. You are big cheaters for this. Communication error has occurred.
Yeah, I'm sorry to interrupt, but this is legit me every single time someone boops me.
Sunshine. Soup Galaxy. Soup Galaxy. Soup 3D World. Meow. Soup Odyssey. Soup 3D Land. Soup USA. I'm a the soup star. Soup, 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 soup.
Nice. I'm sorry, I'm just not even saying anything. Oh my god. I saw the new trailer.
Jesus.
Super Mario World, really?
Guys, this is what dying feels like. Gonna catch me riding dirty.
Morgana! Get in the street like been straining all my life, living in a gangster's paradise. Been spending most of their lives living in a gangster's paradise. What is this? Oh, dang. Meow. Kill it with fire. Yes. Oh my god, I cannot get enough of these DuckTale moon memes. Oh god, they're the best. Never dig straight down. I cannot get enough of these memes. Like, they're the best. Like, that, in my best opinion, is the best one I've seen so far in my life. What? Okay, I'm not... Oh my... I can't... I'm not gonna show that. I'm not gonna show that, because that's just messed up. And why to Luigi? Why would you do that to Luigi? Of all people, why Luigi? Yes! Oh, the Cantina band theme! Oh my god, I gotta watch Star Wars again. No! Why Wolf? He did nothing wrong to you, Ganon! Why Wolf? Oh no! You are a sick, sick man. Hey! Let me guess, endless stairs? How? Bing bing wahoo time. Bing bing wahoo! Another Fortnite meme. That's not how you do it! Oh my god. Look, if you're going to do a Fortnite dance meme, do it the right way. You gotta do that. Don't go. That's not how you do it! Why? Oh, this is from, what is it? It's from a Pokemon game. One of the recent ones. It's Black and White, I think. I think it's Black and White. Well, I haven't played any of the recent ones. I'm still playing, like, Red and Blue, and Green and Yellow. I don't play any of the recent ones. Vibe check. What vibe check? Wait. Hey, it's Bio! It's Bio! Oh my god, I love Kirby.
Oh my god, it's a Jigglypuff. I've never seen one of these in the wild before. Okay, stay calm, quick. Take out a Pokeball and slowly and carefully throw it. Are you ready? And throw. Throw it. Oh god! You killed Jigglypuff! Jigglypuff is dead now! Why did you throw it so hard?
A speed run? What's crazy is people dedicate their lives to doing these things. Congratulations. Somebody did it in a shorter time. Smash is looking pretty cool.
Luigi,
Yes!
you made lots of spaghetti.
Yes! I was expecting an A Luigi meme in this. They have... The meme gods have blessed upon me an A Luigi meme. Oh! You guys have no idea. You have no idea. I know Hotel Mario is an old meme, but it's a vintage meme. Meaning that it is an old meme that's okay. Like the Numa Numa memes, the Chocolate Rain, Byron Malaysia, let's see here, what else? Long Cat, Cats Are Liquid, Troll Face. These are all vintage memes that can still be used today. Like, what? I haven't seen that meme in a while. I gotta rewatch that. And plus, I love Persona 5.
Smash is looking cool.
Luigi, I hope you made lots of spaghetti.
Yo, what's up?
Smash is looking pretty cool, eh, Joker? Oh, wait, hold on. Smash is looking pretty cool, eh, Luigi? I hope you made lots of spaghetti. Luigi, look! It's from Bowser! Oh, wait, hold on.
Yo, what's up, Flex fans? We're gonna check out the new green screen. It's awesome. I think
Look out, look out! Thank God, the Funky Kong, really? Oh, wait, I've seen this one. Ready for it? Y'all ready? You know what it is? Even though he's technically doing this, but yeah, I get it.
Pull the sneaky on you.
Steve Harvey and Dr. Phil. Okay. Okay.
Oh, these are pretty.
As soon as I do the Donkey Kong 64 okay meme, we get pretty cool bananas. But seriously, I was sort of hoping that they would do the Coconut Mall theme. You know that meme. Anyways, yeah, I was really hoping they would do that.
Oh, these are pretty cool bananas.
Oh! Hiya! Toya! Come on! Mission complete! That's legit what happened to me today. Oh yeah? Mamma mia!
Water. Earth.
Oh!
Fire.
Woo!
Air.
Oh, that's such a good that's such a good composite.
Live together in
Oh,
harmony.
that's good.
Then
But it looks a
everything
lot like the legit intro to the freaking anime. Oh, it's John Bowser. Oh, I know exactly what this is gonna be. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a different one. This woman's just walking like.
Make me a yo-yo man, but the yo-yo master did not answer. He just kept on yoing.
That's legit what I do in school. Aww, look at the doggo. My favorite song from Sonic Generations. Uh-oh, yeah, you better run when Isabelle has that. Wait. Oh, dang! Oh, dang! Oh. An Undertale. An Undertale meme. I haven't seen one of these in ages. Oh no, I know what this is.
Gonna be charging up that spin dash before he's just gonna jump cancel out of it so he doesn't have to commit to it, and Zenyu is just answering back with that downer. Gimme. Oh!
First of all, it's not a to be continued because it's already over.
Imagine if you picked up your dog and then
You don't have what it takes to kill me.
Oh dang, yeah, don't doubt Isabelle's power.
Let's stretch our legs.
Yeah! Oh yeah! No, I'm kidding. Aww, that's adorable. I love these wholesome memes. It's like eye bleach almost. Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up here. Well, it started 2 days ago when my mom woke me up for school. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen one of these memes in ages either. Oh my god! Mario and Luigi Bowser's Inside Story! I haven't played that game in ages either. I haven't done anything in ages. Yeah. Oh yeah, you screwed up. What was that person doing in the first place? Sakurai-san, その子、出国口の子ね、その子のロスコケをその子へ。ここその子いちゃんのどうか。こっちの子Level 70. 199 bucks. He just got beat up by a girl. Mewtwo just got beat up by a girl. For those of you who do not pay attention, when there's a heart shape on the Pikachu's tail, it's a female. When it's just the classic, just straight line, it's a male. He just got beat up by a girl! Dang! Mewtwo, you suck. It's probably that hitbox. Ah, what is the name of that Pokemon? I don't remember.
The other day, I was talking with the Donkey Kong, and he said,
My game is better than yours. Wow. I've never heard this song, but it sounds so familiar. It's probably because I've heard this meme before somewhere else. Oh, wait, who's it gonna be? Oh! Yup, it was gonna... It's my boy, it's Fox! Oh, my senpai, what's he doing? I love Fox. Okay. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Yes, and I love this song! Oh, oh, look at little Isabelle. Yep, that's Isabelle in a nutshell every time. Legit, every time I boot up my 3DS and get onto Animal Crossing New Leaf, that's legit what I get. Mare, you've been away for a long time. Where have you been? I've been, doing Mare stuff outside of town. I've been playing Smash Brothers and Luigi's Mansion and Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon. Yeah, I've just been doing Mare stuff. Everyone will watch me. Okay. Watching Intensifies. Yes! The odd one's out! Oh no! Why him?
Look out for that car. That's not a car. What is that?
Yeah.
Look out! Guys! Aurora Borealis.
Aurora Borealis.
Pretty cool bananas.
Everyone's getting destroyed in the world of light! Of course, Goku will try to stop it, but fails.
Just look like another anime sword fighter character to you. Don't worry, he's much different. That's actually a knife. Let's do it. Yes, it is.
Imagining you.
Yes, it says it right there. You are.
I get it. Oh my gosh, I have not visited my Meat Plaza in such a while. I wonder how everything is gonna be. How? Wah! Why little kids, Wario? The world's first amiibo ever made started in Melee. This is where the concept of amiibos became a reality. Melee Brothers as the trophies. This is where amiibos originated, everyone. For those of you who aren't aware, I already figured this out. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, crap. Why did I do that?
You'll never catch me, Crab.
Oh, hold on, I gotta... Yeah!
I knew I should have gotten the turkey.
And there's Chunky.
He's dead. I've already seen this meme.
God. Oh my god, that's my dad. That's my dad! My dad is on TV!
Yeah, that's technically Incineroar in a nutshell. Fortnite. What? Where can I get that case? I really want to get that. Why? Why did you just jump off?
Let me guess.
Balls of Steel. Oh my god, I remember watching this.
It was beautiful. Titan was like most planets.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
Oh no. This ruins the entire spirit of it. First of all, if you do it like that, where you forcibly make it, like, do curves, that's where you ruin it. You have to make it blocky. Yes! Take! Yes. Wario! Have a rotten day! Yeah. I have yet to play that game. How peaceful. It's too bad everyone's gonna die in the future. Oh my god, the Smash Brothers 64 commercial! Oh my gosh, there's so many commercials I've not seen in a while! Oh, he's playing as Fox. You can tell. Look at him. His animal instincts are kicking in. Nope. I know exactly who he's playing as. I'm tired of the Fortnite memes! I'm tired of the Fortnite memes. I'm tired of the Fortnite memes. I'm done with it. Oh my gosh, that's like the third one I've seen through this entire video. What the frick? I'm tired of Fortnite memes. I'm tired of it. I'm done. That's it. It was funny at first, but now they frickin' ruined it! You frickin' fricks! What will you learn? What will you learn? Oh boy, my throat's definitely gonna be hurting in like for the next 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been like 3 hours after I recorded that. It's 9 a.m. So like it's been 5 hours after I recorded that. My throat is actually never hurt once after that, so I got lucky. Yeah. Key. Such a freaking idiot.